Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to change your username on the Widgetable app. Now if you want to change your username from the Widgetable app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Widgetable app on your device. So if you have not installed the Widgetable app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that you just need to open the Widgetable app, and this is the home page of Widgetable, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as various things at the very upper taskbar. Now to change your username, click on the option of more at the very bottom right, and this will take you to the settings page where you'll see the option of notifications, unit, language and all of it. So click on the option of your name at the very top, and this takes you to the profile page where you'll see your name like this. So if you want to change it, click on the option of pen like icon, and you may simply change your nickname. So I'll simply keep it like this, and after that click on the option of OK at the very center of the screen, and that's it. That's how you can change your profile name or nickname. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.